In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the resurrection here in Paradox on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Resurrection is the final stage of the Hollow or Arachnar path, and it's not something that you unlock quickly. There's multiple quests that you have to complete before you do reach it, and before you even start, you need 605 potential and incomplete Resurrection already unlocked. Without those, the quest line won't even appear, so you need to grind missions until you hit that requirement. Once you are ready, though, the first quest is completing 15 Shattered Horyoku and turning them into one full Horyoku by giving them to the Inori NPC. Now, you can track this NPC using the marker. But essentially, go ahead and use the shards from missions. You need the Eternal Flame, raids, ranked, world bosses, and portals. The fastest methods are going to be Eternal Flame and world bosses, so focus on those specifically. But after crafting the full Hogyoku, you move to the second quest by talking to the mysterious person NPC. Here you choose between 10 raid wins or 15 ranked wins. Raids are harder, but fewer runs, while ranked is easier, especially if you play with a friend. Once that's done, though, the third quest is the parry test. Your screen goes dark, lightning strikes appear, and essentially you have to time your parries correctly. This part's not really too difficult. It's all about timing, not grinding. The fourth quest is where you charge your Horyoku by grabbing and gripping players from other factions. Stronger players give more progress. If you die, though, you are going to lose the charge, so play smart and don't take unnecessary risk because you can lose it all. You can always check your progress with the mysterious person NPC, but after your Horyoku is finally charged, the final quest begins. You just got to go to Huko Mundo, meditate, and get pulled into a separate dimension where you fight your full resurrection form. If you win that fight, you'll unlock the resurrection completely and gain access to all of its abilities. And it's going to now become your special move, and you can activate it in combat to use your full moveset. That is it, though. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.